Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. I'm going to introduce our new products. The slicers on my right hand, these are countertop stylings. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the unit's entire length, they are about 20 inches. And the depth of the units is almost about 15.5 inches deep. And the overall height of the unit is about 17.5 inches tall. For this cutting area, we do having a handles. You can just push it. And also for this pen sizes, it's about 12 inches. So as we can see, the units here, they have a covers, a security covers. And when we look in the side of the units, here is adjusters. You can just tweeze it to adjust the thickness of this pen size to cutting the meat or cheese or whatever you want to do on it. And when we look in the side of the units, they do have a powers and the stop buttons right here. And behind they have a ETL sanitation sticker with the cut sheets on it. And also the manufacturer offered pre-installed plugs using the standard of 1/10. And also when we checking these handlebars, you can open it and push up. We can see the space from here. The total space about 7 inches deep. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.